Hello friends, welcome to the today's session. Myself Savita Patil, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Kamalapur. In my today's class, we shall continue the problems on the purchase consideration under net assets method and net payment method. In my previous class, we have discussed the theoretical aspects, that is what is purchase consideration, how it be calculated. The theoretical aspects we have discussed. Today in my today's class, we shall see the important problems on that is the purchase consideration, how it will be calculated under the net assets method and the net payment method. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೆಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. X Company Limited agreed to take over the assets of a firm as under machinery 15,000, land and building 60,000, stock 20,000, debtors 25,000, goodwill 20,000. These are the various value of assets they have given. Then the company also agreed to take over its creditors and bills payable at book value, which were rupees 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. The purchase consideration was settled by the issue of 10,000 equity shares of 10 each and the balance in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. This is what the given problem. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೆಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಥೆರಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ under the net assets method how the purchase consideration will be calculated. That is the total agreed value of assets taken over minus total agreed value of liability taken over. If we deduct that, we'll get the purchase consideration. That only we are going to see in my today's class how this problem will be solved under the net assets method. This problem is asked for the GUG 2007. Okay, then calculation of purchase consideration under net asset method. Here now we shall consider the value of assets which are given in the problem. Machinery 15,000, land and building 60,000, stock 20,000, debtors 25,000, then the goodwill will be 20,000. These are the various assets which are given in the problem. We have considered here the total assets whatever given in the problem, and if we add, that is what this will be the 1,40,000. This is what the total agreed value of assets. Okay, then from this now we shall deduct the total agreed value of assets is 1,40,000. The liabilities they have given, creditors 20,000 and the bills payable will be 10,000. If we deduct from 1,40,000, 30,000, if we deduct, what will get 1,10,000 will be the what the answer here, the purchase consideration. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳೆದೇವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ನೆಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ another problem. This is also under the net assets method only. Here the problem is P Company Limited agreed to take over the assets firm as under, that is machinery 30,000, land and building 1,20,000, stock 40,000, debtors 50,000, goodwill 40,000. The company also agreed to take over its creditors and bills payable at book values, which were rupees 40,000 and 20,000 respectively. The purchase consideration was settled by the issue of 20,000 equity shares of 10 each and balance in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. Now we shall see how the purchase consideration will be calculated. Here machinery 30,000, land and building 1,20,000, stock 40,000, debtors 50,000, goodwill 40,000. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2,80,000. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ 40,000 ಇದೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ 20,000 ಇದೆ. 60,000 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 2,20,000. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 lakh ಇನ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 lakh ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 20,000 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ cash. That will be this is what the discharge of purchase consideration in shares and the cash. Okay, then next another problem we shall see in the, that is under the net payment method. Tata Company Limited take over the assets and liabilities of Majors Yadgi Traders for a purchase consideration of rupees 4 lakh. The purchase consideration was satisfied by the issue of 20,000 equity shares of 10 each. That is, and the 1,559% debentures of rupees 100 each. The balance in cash. This calculate the mode of discharge of purchase consideration. This is what the given problem under the net payment method. In my the previous slide, we have seen that how the problem will be solved under the net assets method. This is what the net payment method. Here they have given is what they have given the total purchase consideration, and they have told that how it will be discharged. They have given that 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and the 1,559% debentures of rupees 100 each. This is what and the balance in cash. They have given the problem like this. Now we shall see how it will be solved. Calculation of purchase consideration under net payment method. They have given that 20,000 equity shares of 10 each. It will be 2 lakh rupees. Okay, 20,000 into 10, it will be 2 lakh. And they have given 1,559% debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay, so 1,550 into 100 will be 1,55,000. Total will be 3,55,000. And they have given balance in cash. So 4 lakh minus 3,55,000 will be 45,000 should be paid in cash. In this way, we have to calculate the purchase consideration under the net payment method. Okay. In my today's class, we have discussed how the purchase consideration will be calculated under the net assets method and the net payment method. I think you have understood my today's class. Homework assignment is what that you have to solve the various problems which are given for the calculation of purchase consideration under the net assets method and the net payment method. Okay. If you have liked my today's class, please you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.